This is another model for normal distribution. In the first model, in the data we have mu and sigma. According to mu and sigma, by using the standard normal variate formula, we can find the area. But in this model, we have to find the mean, variance, or else SD also. The question is like this: in a normal distribution, 7% of the items are under 35 and 89% are under 63. Determine the mean and variance of the distribution. So we are taking this mean as mu and SD as sigma, variance as sigma square. So the condition in the data given as 7% of the items are under 35, that is probability of x less than 35 is equal to 7%, that is equal to 0.07. Next, 89% of the items are under 63, so that can be written as a probability of x less than 63 is equal to 89%, that converted into decimal as 0.89. So both the probabilities are under some values, so you have to change one of the probability of x values above the given x value. Why? Because for 35 is under case, so we can take that x is equal to 35 to the left side of this symmetrical line, and 63 if you take above, then 63 on the right side of symmetrical line for the convenience. So I'm changing this probability of x less than 63 as probability of x greater than 63, and that is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than 63. So this value as 0.89, substitute in this, you will get 0.11 the area for probability of x greater than 63. So this 0.07 is the probability of the area which is under 35. So locate that by shading in the normal curve. So this is under 35 means this shaded part is 0.07, and here above 63, that means right side of this 63, this shaded part as 0.11. So if you know this shaded part, you can find this unshaded parts according to the area of the normal curve. So this is symmetrical, so this part is 0.5 and this part is also 0.5. So 0.5 minus 0.07 is 0.43, and here 0.5 minus 0.11 is 0.39. So these areas of unshaded I have written on the curve. Now coming to using this standard normal variate, that is z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. So in that we are substituting x is equal to 35, that value z is equal to 35 minus mu by sigma. Why? Because mu and sigma we need to find, and that I have taken as minus z1. Why? Because that is the left side of this symmetrical line, so specified as negative. Next, x is equal to 63 is substituting in this z again. So 63 minus mu by sigma, that is equal to z2 positive. Why? Because right side of this symmetrical line. Now according to this probabilities of the unshaded areas, we have to find this z1 and z2 values. For that, what the probabilities I have taken: probability of minus z1 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0. So that means minus z1 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0. What is the area? 0.43. So I have taken here 0.43. This is the area. So you need to find from this area the z values by using table values, normal table values. So we have the area as 0.43. So that 0.43 in this complete area where it exists. So these are all areas, and this column is z values. So here check out where that 0.43 starts. So this is the value 0.4306. So this is this value. Here 1.4, on the top you have as 8. So the Z value is 1.48. So Z1 is equal to 1.48. Next, the second right side of that, probability of Z less than or equal to Z2. So what is the area? 0.39. So according to that, if you check the table values, you will get the Z value as 1.23. On substituting this Z1 and Z2 in this Z values, will get 35 minus mu by sigma is equal to minus 1.48, and 63 minus mu by sigma is equal to 1.23. So by solving this as 4 minus 3, so by subtracting these two, you will get 28 by sigma, and sigma value as 10.33. So we find out sigma value. According to sigma value, we need to find mu and then variance sigma square. So sigma is 10.33, so you can square of this value, getting variance. Now you substitute the sigma value in any one of these equations, you get mu value, and that is like this. So on substituting sigma is equal to 10.33 in equation 3, and that equation is like this. So by calculating this, you will get mu is equal to 50.33, and the variance sigma square is 106.7.